Satya Reddy Chinta. Today I am here to inform you about a personal wellness and health monitor that can track your vital signs, your physical activity, and also your sleep patterns. It can automatically, the personal health monitor is smart enough to upload your data to a smartphone. It can track your records against the standards. It can generate reports, and it will give you complete control of your health and wellness. Now, why do we need this? Most of us are generally not very active, almost burdened with a lot of workload. We do take care of our health by going to the doctor, but that happens maybe once in a year for a general checkup. We don't know whether we are sleeping very well, and also it's very difficult to keep track of all these details, making a balance between your personal life and work life. We all had a lot of CTO forums and engagement surveys, and we gave a lot of good feedback about the company benefits, except there is at least one area that everybody is worried about. Can any of you guess what it is? I do, and because I was part of that. It's like your benefits, health benefits. The health benefits have been, the insurance premiums have gone up, and because of the so much expenses in the healthcare industry, so you have to put a lot of money from your pocket. Not only that, so because of the cost sharing and burden, it's up to you to take care of your own health and wellness. That is why we have this health and wellness programs. So last time I went, I got a report from my doctor from my annual checkup. I was worried about my reports. Like my HDL was low, blood pressure almost on the border, glucose was high. So my doctor asked me like how frequently you do the workout, and also I had headaches, so I reported in headaches. So he was asking me about do you sleep well and do you maintain a healthy diet. So I didn't have a lot of the data. Whatever I could remember from top of my head, I was able to give it. So wouldn't it be cool to have a personal tracker which can be always with you as a companion, track your activity, track your vitals, track your physical activity, track your sleep patterns, and then automatically sync it with a smartphone. Many of us have smartphones, right? So it should be able to sync your data to the smartphone and give you the trends and guidelines. So with that in mind, today I am presenting this personal health monitor. So this is a smart personal health monitor that sits right on your wrist. So it tracks your health right from your wrist. So how it works, it has 4 powerful sensors basically to sense your vital signs, physical activity, and sleep patterns. Vital signs are so important because they give you an indication of any chronic diseases that you may get. That will tell you how well your health is. The next thing is physical activity. See, American National Institute of Health recommends at least 3 hours of physical activity workout every week. Some of us do that, but in bits and pieces. Maybe one day we do for 15-20 minutes. Next day we skip. So we don't have a complete tracking of what exactly we are doing. Then the sleep patterns. We think we sleep well, but often we get up and in the middle of this sleep, we get a lot of disturbance. So there is another survey about national sleep, so which says that at least most of the people, they don't sleep well, and at least 50 to 70 million Americans have sleep-related chronic diseases. So what are vital signs? Blood pressure, temperature, pulse, and respiration rates. These are important factors to keep you in a good health. So physical activity, when you do the workout, the device has optical sensors to sensor heart rates, activity levels, intensity of your exercise and exercise. It also recognizes your sleep patterns and reports your sleep quality and restfulness. So the device, it's ultra thin, lightweight, it's of course trendy and custom, and it comes with custom bands. So these are all the characteristics. This is weatherproof. You charge it once, you forget it for a full week, then it is Bluetooth enabled. Isn't that cool? Like all your data is automatically uploaded to the smartphone. If you don't have a smartphone, you can connect it and upload it to the using the USB. So you can, in the application, you can track your food also. So these are the general details that you can track. It gives you your exercise pattern, whether you are within limit, off the limit, and how you are doing about your physical activity. You can personally track your food. You can track your calorie intake, carbohydrates, fats, and lipids, and also whether you are in control of your sugar and salt intake. So in summary, this is a smart device which is a beautiful companion, a smart companion that is always with you wherever you go. It tracks your vital signs, your physical activity, your sleep patterns, and keeps you in good health and well-being. It will reduce your doctor visits and your out-of-pocket expenses. Thank you for listening to me. Good night.